Hi guys, hi guys. I just received a package from iVANKY, which is a very new product that haven't been released yet. It just open for pre-order, but I'm glad that iVANKY sent me this new item, and now I'm going to do unboxing for you guys, and you guys were able to see it right here when I'm doing the unboxing. Alright, let me open it up. I'm now opening the box. Let me cut first. Let me cut it through. It's very well sealed, I would say. Here we go. I'm now unboxing it, and you can see it's a very familiar. And there you go, the new product from iVANKY, the FusionDock Max that support triple display with 23 ports of connectivity, up to 100 gigabit speed, and is made for Mac OS, which is MacBook Pro, the Apple Silicon MacBook Pro. And let me take it out from the box. It's very well sealed. Okay, let me take it out. Alright, this is in front of a box, as you can see. Okay, FusionDock Max. And here is at the back of the box, and you can see there is so many connectivity here, and it's Thunderbird 5. It's going to be very interesting, very Thunderbird 5. And Thunderbird 5 is something very new that Apple announced in the M4 lineup is. And here you go. Let me open this up. Let me cut between these. Here we go. I'm opening up the plastic. Here is FusionDock Max. Here I'm opening up the box. Oh wow, this is something very interesting. Let me see how to take this up. Here it is. Let me open it up and read. Wow, seems like this is all the FAQ. Here is the user manual. Here all the hardware they support. For triple display, you require the Max from M1 to M4 Max, and you also support the Pro and the normal version, the dual display and single display for some. Okay, quick slide guide, and here is troubleshooting. Okay, we will look at it later on, and let's move on with it. And here we go, the iVANKY FusionDock Max 2. Here at the back, it's quite heavy though. Hey, that is great. This is, I got mentioned, iVANKY Dock Max 2. Hey, what awesome. What else we have in the box? Let us see. Hey, we have the power grid. Hey, and we have this in the box, which we have. Wow, we have Thunderbolt 5 cable. Okay, let's see how many cable we have. This is USB-C to HDMI 4K, and we have power adapter, and we have this on the EVE for your laptop. I think it's Thunderbolt 5 as well. So we have extra Thunderbolt cable other than from the laptop to the dock. So I think it seems like very well built quality, and it's braided cable, so I guess it is very good. That's all in the box. So we have the dock, we have cables, we have this. So it seems like very well built. So that's all for my unboxing. And before that, the last piece of surprise, let me open it up. This one. I guess I'm able to open this. Yes, I need to cut. I guess I need it. Yep. Here you go, you see I go back. I'll take it out. And now you have the front, okay, and the back. And I love the color so much. If let's say I have the extra light here, how are you going to shine with the extra light? Wow, you can see the difference in color. So you have like 5 USB port in the front. Let me go me. You have 2 5 gigabit, 2 USB 2.0, 1 USB 10 gigabit, and 3 USB-C with SD card EF and a headphone jack. At the back, you have 2 USB-C with 10 gigabit and 3 for display output, 1 HDMI. This is from the laptop, the input from the laptop. 1 5 gigabit USB and USB 2.0 with a 2.5 gigabit LAN port and a headphone jack. And the DC in, this is for the lock, which I feel very premium build quality. I really love it. With the orange surrounding, it just looks so awesome. That's all my short unboxing. In about 8 minutes to 9 minutes unboxing. That's all. I'll let you guys see it. This my experience with iVANKY. I have the first version, the FusionDock Max 1. I'm sure you all know that FusionDock Max 1 is last model that came out, and there is a lot of heat issue. I'm not sure about this. I'm going to test up whether this got solved the heat issue or not. So I'll try it out and let you guys know further details. Yeah, awesome. Thank you, iVANKY.